Everyone, welcome back. Uber drivers can now rent a Hertz, Polestar, or a Tesla in European markets, starting with London, in fact. So this is some big news for Polestar and for Tesla as well, and for Hertz, to be honest. This is absolutely incredible, and it's about to change a lot of things throughout the rental car market and the electric car market. So I wrote this article on our website on Monument. There will be a link in the description. Please check it out. So let's understand this new partnership. New Hertz Partnership Uber drivers in Europe now have the opportunity to rent a Tesla, a Polestar vehicle. This creates a great opportunity for those who want to provide rideshare service without owning their own car, without owning an electric car. Uber has joined force with Hertz to ensure that 25,000 Tesla cars will be available to drivers in several major European cities by 2025. European expansion will make up to 25,000 electric vehicles available to Uber drivers to rent across Europe by 2025, starting with London, with the aim to expand to Paris and Amsterdam. This is built upon the existing partnership with Hertz in North America, where nearly 50,000 drivers to date have benefited through this partnership. Uber aims to be a zero-emissions platform in London by 2025 and in Europe and North America by 2030. Hertz is committed to accelerating the adoption of EVs and driving shared mobility around the world. Now, the partnership in North America have an incredible positive effect on tens of thousands of drivers using Uber. To date, over 50,000 drivers have taken advantage of the rental option and completed a staggering 24 million fully electric trips and 260 million electric miles. In January 2023, the expansion of partnership in Europe will start in London. This is Hertz's European base, of course. The aim is to extend to European markets throughout the coming years. Furthermore, information will be available at a later stage with additional information. So we've got some quote from the CEO of Uber, that's Dara, and I quote, "As the largest mobility platform in the world, we know that our impact goes beyond our technology. Climate change is the most urgent global challenge, which we must all tackle together. Now's the time to accelerate. Expanding our partnership with Hertz into Europe will significantly boost our transition to zero emissions, helping drivers to reduce running costs and cleaning up urban transport. We aim to become 100% electric platform across Europe by 2030. And additionally, we have statements from Hertz CEO. And I quote, "Hertz continues to accelerate the drive towards sustainability, and our partnership with Uber significantly advances the goal. By making EV available to rideshare drivers, we will not only contribute to reducing emissions in European cities, but also expand opportunities for people to experience the benefit of electrification. As Uber invests to create one of the largest EV fleets globally, our Uber partnerships will ensure that we continue to lead in the rapid change in mobility landscape across European markets." So that's the latest news on this partnership, and I think it's absolutely incredible. It's really exciting for Polestar right now, and it will change a lot of things. So quite soon there will be Polestar 2s that are taxi vehicles that are rented via Hertz, operating on the Uber platform. I just think that's really, really cool, and I can't wait to visit London once again to experience this for myself. Now, naturally, while saying all of this, we must have a look at the Polestar shares. So today the price have been going down, and it hasn't been the most positive. It's been going down to $5.55. But the important thing is that I don't want everyone to panic, because this is the same thing that's happening to Tesla. It is not just Polestar. The entire market is going down. The S&P 500, let's take a look. There it is. It's also going down as well. It's basically falling off a cliff. How about the NASDAQ exchange? Take a look at the NASDAQ exchange today. That's also going down. Now take a look at Tesla. It's also going down in value as well. So do not be surprised that Polestar is being affected by the overall market. That's just how the stock market tends to work. Now, I still believe that Polestar is an undervalued company. In fact, I believe this year the share price can easily double to $11, $10 to $11 to $12. This share price will easily double this year. And this is not financial advice. This video is strictly for educational purposes. But in my opinion, the shares will more than double, if not triple, to $15 at some point this year. It's common sense. We know what this means. Whatever money that's invested into Polestar right now will be doubled. And I will make a separate video on this topic, hopefully next week. This video will be on our YouTube, on our TikTok, it will be everywhere. And of course, I will make some exclusive content for Polestar as well. This exclusive content is all part of our subscription service on our website. This subscription service is via our monthly subscription, and it's like £5 a month. And basically this gives you exclusive videos, exclusive content. So I will be talking a bit more about Polestar, on why I think it could double, why I think it will definitely double, and what does this mean. I'll explain to you really quickly. Basically, if I invest $100 million into Polestar, $100 million right now into Polestar, I believe it will double before the end of this year, if not triple. It will either go to 200 million or 300 million. Now, vice versa, I don't have $100 million. So let's speak on a micro investor term. Micro investor, right? If I invest $5,000 this year, I believe I can double it to $10,000 with the Polestar share before the end of this year, $10 to $15. And that's a huge opportunity, because doubling your investment, share price doubles. That's no understatement. Warren Buffett is lucky if he gets a 10% return, 11% return. It's averaging out at 8 to 7% for Warren Buffett. So if I can do this, I can get my investment to double in the course of 1 year, 12 months. That's absolutely incredible. And that's my thesis. That's my theory. That's my analysis for this year. Polestar shares, the price will double at some point. I don't know if it will stay above $10, but it will definitely give me enough time to sell and to make my profit. And of course, I'll only pay tax on the profit. I don't pay tax on the initial $5,000. I'll pay tax on the second $5,000, which is the profit that I'll make from said investment. So in our exclusive content, we will discuss this in more detail, and I'll explain much more about this, my thesis, my research on this project. So that's it for this video. Remember to check out our website, sign up to our newsletter. You can actually sign up to our free newsletter and our free membership on our website, and that's just the free version, $0. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in our next video.